Welcome to Sons in Suits. We are here to reintroduce the concept of fatherhood, of what it means to be an uncle, of what it means to be a big brother, of what it means to reinforce community principles and pass on the torch.
Come, Emery, come. I want to show you something, right? Every other year or birthday or something, they would ask for one of these, right? A Rubik's Cube. It took me about 2 to 3 weeks on and off to solve the Rubik's Cube. Do you believe that by the end of the week, he could solve the same Rubik's Cube in under 2 minutes? The lesson that he taught me was that you need to let them stand on your shoulders. Oh, he's finished. Right?
The most powerful thing you can give to your son is a belief in himself. Because sometimes academics will get tough, and some girls will break his heart. But he must know that he is the greatest man alive, the greatest boy alive, and that's more powerful than any mathematical equation that you can think of.
Jabari right here, just make 16 this week. Now he's at the stage of when I hug him in public, not really that he give me a break, but you know, we in public, you know? So he's at that age right now. But he knows that I love him. I always show him that I love him and I care for him. We have to stop and acknowledge our kids and show them affection and love and let them know that we love them and care for them and we'll do anything for them.
One of the things that I want us to remember is that we won't always have the opportunities that we have. Make sure that we're spending it and enjoying every second, every waking moment with the people that we love and appreciate, such as our fathers, our grandfathers, our uncles, and our brothers and sisters.
Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'll play a song that will never ever end. And I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again.